Well, I can.
We're notoriously bad at picking song names.
But yeah, we still don't know the names to our own songs, which is an important thing to know about the band.
So we spend a lot of philosophy of just picking words from the lyrics you've already written, because it's like, why add on extra work, you know?
So the first band name, because we would play, and these rugs would actually climb the walls. And that was my first idea, when rugs climb walls. That was that was what and I'm still kind of, if we have a lawsuit.
I don't know why it didn't stick.
We humored him for a little while.
There is the wiseacres, but.
Sunrise in the morning on the beat of a void, and the whole damn thing breaks down. And if you want, I can lie and deny if you want, and watch as the fire spreads round, and the sign is a sign with a stone of fire reside. And your heart, so am I. It's the place I sight by grand desire. Sorry, I couldn't name the color of your eyes. Sunrise in the morning, although they do reveal what's hidden deep down inside. On the beat of a void, and the sigh is a sign where the stone of a fire resides. In your heart, so am I. It's the place I sight by grander desire. That things can be peaceful most of the time if one is so inclined. Let's climb through this argument to reach something sublime. Although I hope this invitation's declined. It's tricky ground that we're treading, overstanding our setting. Tasteful most of the time if one is so inclined. Let's climb through this argument to reach something sublime. Although I hope this invitation's declined. It's tricky ground that we're treading, overstanding our setting. before I learn